ขณะก้าวออกจากรถบางซื่อ Station
Taking the overnight sleeper train from Bangkok to Chiang Mai is one of those classic Thai journeys that blends convenience with a little adventure. Since 2016, the State Railway of Thailand has been running modern electric-powered carriages on Special Express Train number 9. They are quieter, smoother, and a lot more comfortable than the older trains. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to expect, step by step, so you can enjoy the ride like a seasoned traveler. Step 1. Booking tickets. First things first, tickets. You can book them up to 180 days in advance, and trust me, you'll want to. Train number 9 is popular and the lower berths go fast. The lower berth is wider, has a window, and gives you a bit more space to stretch out. The upper berth, on the other hand, feels a bit like sleeping in a capsule. No window, a little tighter. Booking early gives you better odds of getting the seat you want. Tickets are available through the official SRTD ticket app, their website, or through English-friendly agencies like 12Go Asia. Of course, you can always buy them directly at any train station in Thailand. When you're booking, make sure you're really getting train number 9 or train number 13. These are the modern overnight express trains. Other trains on the same route are older, slower, and while cheaper, they don't compare in comfort. If you book through an agency, check whether they're giving you a proper state railway ticket or just a voucher you'll need to exchange at the counter. Fortunately, SRT staff at the counters speak good English and they'll happily check things for you. Step 2. At the station. On the day of your trip, arrive early. Train number 9 leaves Bangkok's Krung Thep Aphiwat Central Terminal at 6:40 in the evening, and it pulls into Chiang Mai just after 7 in the morning. Krung Thep Aphiwat Central Terminal station itself is massive, the biggest in Southeast Asia, with multiple levels and endless walkways. Just walking from the Bang Su MRT stop to the platform can take up to 15 minutes. So give yourself at least half an hour to navigate and settle in. Step 3. Food and drinks. Now let's talk food. The train has a bistro car, but don't expect anything gourmet. Meals are basically frozen convenience food, the kind you'd find at a 7-Eleven, but priced a bit higher. Personally, I prefer grabbing dinner from one of the many food stalls within the station before boarding. My packet of khao mu krop and khao mu dang tastes so much better. They're usually around 60 baht and well worth it. A small bottle of water is included with your ticket, but if you're like me, you'll want to bring extra. And whatever you do, don't drink from the train's tap water. It's not safe. Step 4. National Anthem Ritual. One little cultural note. At 6 p.m. sharp, the Thai National Anthem plays at every railway station. Everyone, locals, staff, travelers, stops what they're doing and stands still. It only lasts a minute, but it's a powerful moment. You're not obliged to join in, but if you do, it shows respect. And honestly, it feels meaningful to be part of it. Step 5. Luggage and safety. When it comes to luggage, less is more. Storage space is limited to racks above and below the seats. My 40-liter backpack fits snugly, but a large suitcase might give you trouble. The train has CCTV and feels very safe, even for solo female travelers, but I still use a small bicycle lock to secure my bag at night. It's a simple precaution that lets me sleep easier. Step 6. Sleeping arrangements. Speaking of sleep, the bedding is surprisingly decent. You get a wide mattress, a pillow, and a blanket. But the air conditioning runs all night and you can't adjust it. So pack long sleeves, trousers, maybe even socks. Otherwise, you might wake up shivering at 3 a.m. Now, if you're taller than 180 centimeters, the berths may be a little short for you. You might have to curl your legs or sleep diagonally to fit comfortably. Not a deal breaker, but worth knowing before you go. Step 7. Washroom timing. At around 8 p.m., the staff start converting seats into berths. It's an impressive sight. Each one is flipped in under a minute. That's your cue to head to the washroom to brush your teeth or get changed. If you wait too long, you'll end up in a long queue. The same goes in the morning. Around 6:45, just before arrival, everyone rushes for the toilets. Go early and you'll thank yourself. Step 8. Scenery and sunrise. And here's my favorite part, the views. As you roll out of Bangkok around 7 in the evening, you'll watch the city lights fade into suburbs and then the countryside. By 7:45, you might catch the glowing silhouettes of Ayutthaya's ruins as the train glides past. In the early hours, around 5 in the morning, the train dives into Khun Thep Tunnel, Thailand's longest, before emerging into misty forest. Between 5:45 and 6:30, the real magic happens. Golden sunlight spills over rice fields and mountain ridges near Lampang, while small villages wake up to the new day. If you're stuck in an upper berth without a window, slip into the bistro car. It's the perfect spot to soak in the sunrise.
Approaching to Chiang Mai station in 1 hour. Please check your belongings on the bed.
And that's the journey. Bangkok to Chiang Mai, 12 hours of rocking gently through the heart of Thailand. It's not just a way to get from A to B, it's a slice of travel experience in itself. With a little preparation, it's safe, comfortable, and surprisingly memorable.